of the hotel is first class and guests love walking around the neighborhood. There are 10 types of rooms available on booking.com. You can book online and enjoy. You can see more than 100 reviews of this hotel on booking.com. Its review rating is 9.1. This is the superb. The check-in time of this hotel is 12 p.m. The checkout time is 12 p.m. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The hotel accepts your credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Guests are required to show a photo ID and credit card at check-in. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. For booking or more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in this hotel, you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, remember to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss